Once you are on the Canvas homepage, click on the Custom Size button. This will allow you to create a design with the exact dimensions you need. Before adding any images, ensure your background is not an image and is set to white. To do this, scroll down the left-hand panel and click on Background. From the options that appear, select the white color. When you are ready to save your design, click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. In the Share menu, click on Download. In the File Type drop-down, select PNG. Below this, you will see an option to Transparent Background. Make sure to check this box. If you want to add text to your design, click on Text from the left-hand panel. Drag the Add a Heading option to your design space and type in your desired text, such as Transparent Background. Click on Share again, then select Download. Choose PNG as the file type and check the box for transparent background. Note that if you see a crown icon next to this option, it indicates that this feature is part of Canva Pro. Click on Download to save your design with a transparent background. Once the download is complete, open the files to see your design with a transparent background. If you also need a version with a white background, click on Share again, then Download. This time, uncheck the transparent background box and click Download to save the design with a white background. Make sure to check the link in the description down below to access Canva, and if this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.